Today we're going to be seeing a colorized video of Albert Einstein explaining perhaps his most popular formula that everyone has described Einstein and has become synonymous with Albert Einstein, the famous physicist. And this is the equation, E equals MC². This clip that was captured, it was digitized and it was colorized and enhanced in order so that we can step back into the world of Albert Einstein and we can feel as if we ourselves are listening to his explanations. So let's enjoy together Albert Einstein explanation of E equals MC². Enjoy.
It followed from the special theory of relativity that mass and energy are but different manifestations of the same thing, a somewhat unfamiliar conception for the average mind. Furthermore, the equation E is equal mc², in which energy is put equal to mass multiplied with the square of the velocity of light, showed that very small amount of mass may be converted into a very large amount of energy, and vice versa. The mass and energy were in fact equivalent, according to the formula mentioned above. This was demonstrated by Cochran and Walton in 1932 experimentally.